starts asking for more. It's like you're dancing in my bones, moving where the hurt once lived. Every shake is letting go, every step a little gift. You touch the rhythm in my soul, pulling all the shadows out. You're dancing, dancing in my bones, till I remember how to shout. Letting go, every step a little gift. You touch the rhythm in my soul, pulling all the shadows out. You're dancing, dancing in my bones. Now I remember how to shout. I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. Hitting ground, everything I built came down. Thought the silence was the end, didn't know it was a friend. Lay there longer than I should, learn the things I never could. From the floor I saw it clear, what was fake and what was real.
After the fall, I finally knew the version
can't build what lasts without breaking apart. I know now. I know now. I know. After the fall, still standing. After the fall, still here. After the fall, after the fall. A rhythm in the distance, soft but alive. It calls without a language, pulls from inside. I feel it turning under the skin. Not something spoken, something within. Each step is lighter, each breath is slow, carried by something I don't control. We move in circles, not in lines, lost in the rhythm. We redefine, no need to hold it. Let it flow. The deeper you go, the more you know. There's a pattern forming, but it never repeats. Like a pulse in the silence beneath your feet. Every moment shifting, every tone alive. Not just something you hear, but something you drive. We move in circles, we don't break. Every step is a shape we make. No hesitation, no control, just the rhythm inside the soul. Now the strings are breathing wide and worn, not cutting through but becoming form. Every note is drifting, then returns again like a quiet echo without an end. Don't fight emotion,
words taste unstable. Every yes feels like a blackout. Breathe in the doorway, heart jumps out of time. You say my name slowly, and my pulse redraws the line. I got feelings I can't control, spilling out, taking over my soul. Every touch, every thought goes rogue. I got feelings I can't control. Glass on the counter, I sip, I sway, I stop. Your eyes move closer, like they're writing on the wall. Laugh in the half light, you lean into my space. I lose my balance when your shadow hits my face. I got feelings I can't control, spilling out, taking over my soul. Every touch, every thought goes rogue. I got feelings I can't control. I say I'm fine, but my veins say otherwise. I fake the calm, but my skin gives up the light. You brush my arm and the room just disappears. If I let go, who is driving it here? Taking over my soul. Every touch, every thought goes rogue. I got feelings I can't control. I catch you staring when you think I'm not looking. Quiet moment before you turn away. Something in your gaze keeps pulling me under, like the truth is too loud to hide. No words needed when the lights go low. I see everything you're scared to say out loud. Your silence speaks in colors I can feel, painting pictures of a love you can't control. Your eyes don't lie, they tell me what your lips won't say. I feel your lips, even when you look away. Your eyes don't lie, they give you up every time. I feel your lips, running deep tonight. You can smile and pretend nothing's changing. your pupils wide, and when I get too close, I watch the walls you built start crumbling down. Every time I glance, hold a second too long. I don't need promises written on paper. I don't need perfect words to make it true. All I need is that honest second when your eyes forget to hide from me. Your eyes don't lie. They tell me what your lips won't say. I feel your even when you look away. Your eyes don't lie. They give you up every time. I feel your running deep tonight. Still feel
You take my self-control. You got me living only for